Hello friends, welcome back. If you are a Samsung Galaxy tablet user and you use your S Pen a lot, and if at any moment of time you had a problem with the S Pen nibs, or if you have lost your S Pen, then it is very difficult to procure another new S Pen which is compatible with your Galaxy tablet. So today I thought of testing out 3 types of S Pens. Many of us know that Samsung Galaxy tablet uses a technology from Wacom. Wacom digitizers have been present in the market since a long time. So if you are thinking of buying a replacement for your S Pen, so this is the video you want to watch. So the first pen that I will be testing is the pen from the Note 10 Plus mobile phone. The second style is the usual S Pen that is coming with the tablet itself. This S Pen is similar to the Note 20 series of S Pens, similarity in terms of gestures that are available on the Note 20 series, and also the extremely low latency times of 9 milliseconds. So before testing any of the S Pens, first setting you have to change is within the settings of the S Pen, you have to enable the settings that allows you to use different types of S Pen on your Galaxy tablet. Now once that is done, you are ready to test your various S Pens or Wacom pens with your Galaxy tablet. So let's start the video with the Note 10 Plus S Pen. Now as you can see from the video, the S Pen Plus stylus or the S Pen is perfectly working with this Galaxy tablet. So that is a very good news for all the people who are thinking to buy a replacement S Pen. So the nibs are also looking exactly similar to the nib of the S20 series or the pen that comes with the Galaxy tablet. Now coming to this next pen, that is a Wacom pen that I was using almost 8 to 10 years back on the first Surface Pro series of tablets. The initial generation of Surface Pro used to have the Wacom technology, and later on from the Surface Pro 3 onwards they changed it to N-Trick technology, and I wanted to check whether this also works or this is a different or older technology. And now as you can see, this pen also works perfectly fine with this tablet. But since this is a very old pen, you can see there is slightly parallax. The tip doesn't correspond to the pointer. There is slightly parallax happening here. And I think this pen had this parallax issue initially also when I was using it with the Surface Pro. But another good thing about this pen is that it also comes with a inbuilt pen which used to act as a right click option in the Surface Pro tablets. And the back side of the pen, which is as you can see here, it actually acts as an eraser just like the other Surface pens. So let me see if this still has this eraser functionality that is working on this Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. So as you can see, surprisingly this eraser part also works absolutely fine, just like it used to work on my Surface Pro device. So the backside can be used to erase whatever you have written on the tablet. So the third testing that I wanted to do is I wanted to replace the Note 9 nibs with the nib of this Galaxy S7 tablet S Pen. But even after trying a lot with the nib remover that comes with the Note 9, it was very difficult to remove the nib of the S7 tablet S Pen, and I didn't want to risk damaging the nib. But rest assured, if you have damaged your nib of the Tab S7 S Pen, you can be sure that the nibs from the older previous Note 9 series or Note 10 series of nibs will work definitely with the Tab S7 S Pen. Or if you're planning to buy a different type of Wacom S Pen and you do not need the gestures or the Bluetooth functionality of the S Pen of Tab S7, then you can go for the simple Wacom S Pens that are available on Amazon or other websites. I'll be providing few links down in the description, you can check those out. Then secondly, I want to compare whether these different S Pens latency times varies according to their old generations, or the latency times is actually dependent on the digitizer of the tablet itself. So let me just have a look with the speed of the latency times on the different 3 S Pens. So if you are in the market for buying a new S Pen, I hope this video will help you a lot in deciding which S Pen to buy. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.